Hi and welcome to a new video. Have you been sending regular SMS messages and now want to switch back to iMessage with its blue bubbles? In this video, I will guide you through the simple process of changing your text messages to iMessage on your iPhone. There are two different color schemes that distinguish iMessage from SMS. Messages sent through iMessage are identified with blue bubbles, while those sent via SMS appear in green bubbles. If you go to the Messages settings and enable both iMessage and Send and SMS configurations, your device can automatically switch to SMS when iMessage is unavailable, while still using iMessage to communicate with other iOS users. But what if you want to have manual control and switch between iMessage and SMS whenever you need to? Unfortunately, there is no direct configuration in the Messages app. If you want to switch your SMS chat to an iMessage, you can try a workaround instead. First, make sure you are connected to the internet to access the iMessage service. Once connected, wait until the text area automatically appears as iMessage. If it took too long, close and reopen the chat thread. When the text field indicates iMessage, copy and paste the specific SMS chat, then tap the Send button to send it as a new iMessage chat. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.